how do you put the processor into the motherboard? What the fuck is PCIe, bro? Oh, fuck. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. Did I miss something?
Disgusting.
Voila, the motherboard is free. How do you put the processor into the motherboard? Just wondering.
Nah,
You
he
just
doesn't. You line up the triangle with the triangle on the motherboard.
Yeah, you pull this little fucking. Oh damn. There we go. No.
All right, bro. Line up the triangle with the triangle on the motherboard.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
go.
trying to find the fucking dude. The lighting is
It's
so bad.
right. It's
Just turn on a light, you dumb fuck.
Actually,
the light is right there. That's all
Why
I
not
got.
move it close? Can you not
dude,
move it closer?
your room is terrible for lighting. Oh my god.
Hold on, I have a
What
flashlight.
lighting?
Oh, Zane.
Oh yeah.
That's the guy.
That's for the latch.
That's how I'm supposed to figure out where the fuck to put this thing.
Well, there's some on both sides, so it doesn't matter.
Well, yeah, but dude, they like line up and all that shit. Yeah, because look, they're opposite.
Throwing flashbang.
One's on the left and one's on the right.
You were literally blinding us by shining on the thing. If it doesn't have pins, you can't even fucking break it anymore, yeah?
No, you probably still.
I'm sure that downwards pressure would be enough.
Oh well, you don't put downward pressure. You just
Well,
literally
the
drop
latch,
it. You just
but-
drop it in.
What the
Oh,
fuck
this
am I
guy's got
supposed
the
to?
mini.
Am I supposed to take out a fucking screw for this?
And just drop it into place, and then give it a little wiggle once it's in to make sure it's in place, and then you're chilling.
And then.
Push it down
You
to
know.
make sure it's locked in.
Fuck off! This guy's trolling already, bro. He's been here for 5 seconds. I'm not gonna force this fucking plastic thing off.
Why are you like
Well,
so?
it's supposed to come off anyways. You should just be able to pop it off if you push it.
A gargoyle.
Yo, Oscar, what do you think of
shit.
Kiriko?
Oh, there it went.
Oh, there it goes.
Who?
I heard the noise before I saw that.
that who?
This isn't supposed to come back up after this.
Well, is there?
A screw. It's getting caught in the fucking CPU. Look, it doesn't go all the way
I'm
down.
in the queue.
Oh, the CPU is loose.
Oh my god.
Hey, Mama said.
Alright, let's
Oh
fucking
my
run
goodness.
GGs. And it's fine. We'll put it back in.
Trying to look at microscopic pins. It's fine.
That's good.
The whole point of that thing is to push it down into the
Alright,
thing.
well, it's in there now.
Can you lift the panel off still?
You
Yeah,
would lift
actually,
it up
I'm
like
kind of
before.
worried. What happened that first time? Because I can't lift it off now.
But
Dude,
Hurry! You have 10 seconds before this pool ends.
let's line up, right?
Correct.
Alright, that's one in.
You sure about that?
Dude,
Did they click?
they
did
fucking
you get the
click?
click? Did you got the clicky click?
I got the clicky click, bro. Man, fuck you, Alex. He said, "Are you sure about that?" Bro, fuck you.
Damn.
You're the worst, bro.
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure?
You sure you didn't fucking break it, bro? Because you're retarded.
So good, it's to die for.
Alright.
Oh, you look so
Ram is
good,
in.
it's to die. That's fair.
If this does actually blow up on stream, I will kill myself live. That was a joke, by the way, for Twitch reasons.
Oh yeah, wait. Actually, I'm reporting you.
Yeah, I'm
I don't want any self harm, dude. I love how you can report people for self harm when like it literally does nothing.
That it would probably just make it
if they
worse.
want to hurt themselves, it doesn't matter.
It would probably just make it worse. It's like, oh man, I'm feeling
Yeah,
so
well,
down.
I lost
I'm gonna
my
hurt
living.
myself, and then somebody gets you banned off of Twitch, bro. That's the last straw right there.
Dude, that's fucking crazy.
Okay.
Well, at least they're not doing it live, but that would be bad for the
For your
website.
sake,
that
and
is true. That'd be
because of
bad
your
for
mental
you.
health scenario, we're gonna remove your content.
We're sorry, but your suicidal tendencies violate our terms and conditions.
Now go kill yourself somewhere else.
Go find another.
go on Facebook
Bruh.
Live or some shit. Look at that. 35 minutes in, we got CPU and RAM. We're making wonderful time.
Oh my god! Oh.
What the freak? I don't see any. Oh wait, M.2 locker. Oh, look at that. There's a little screw in there.
Man says just go to his house. Must we play Overwatch?
Bro, I'm literally making a record pace.
Yeah, dude. You'll be able to play Overwatch in 4 hours maybe.
Actually, 4 hours.
Underneath?
like below it, like below it.
What the fuck are you talking about? You want me to lift up the motherboard?
There, you see that plate? That like right below your CPU? It's I don't know what that says.
Oh, this thing right here?
Yeah, below it, not like underneath it, but below it. That thing should screw off where your M.2
Oh,
goes.
yeah, I see it. I see it.
Hey, what?
Okay. Okay. What?
Dude,
which
you're
one of these-
ruining your build,
Which one of
bro.
these is
Nah.
the right one?
Which one fits, bro? Come on.
Nah, those are.
There's nothing else in here.
After
Oh my
all.
god, why do we have
I
to
mean,
repeat, man?
realistically, right? Does it have to be screwed in?
No.
I just don't understand how this is. All right, you know what? We're pulling out the manual.
Nah.
Yeah, it's like, wait, what? No way.
I think it goes like that. I can see the little hole there.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm
And then you
bugging.
just gotta
I'm sorry, I'm
push it in a
bugging.
little
It's
bit. It
actually the
won't
same
make make a
font.
sound or anything. It'll just.
Why would
kinda
they do
sit
that?
kinda-
Get the
you gotta
point,
push
get the
it-
point, any
Oh.
points?
We're done.
Right by now.
I mean, that shit looks like it's on there.
Dude, I prefer the screws. These that's so weird.
What's the time? What's the time? Can I get a time? Time check?
2 minutes until basically an hour.
Let's go. Oh my god, why did the chair just... Am I about to fucking die?
You going?
This is my trusty $15 piano stool right here.
Get the liquid cooler. Get
Oh
the liquid
my
cooler.
god.
Hello, come down.
Okay, so this one is, it's not a fat unboxing for this. I already opened it to check for size
Ciao.
constraints. Are you absolutely sure the RAM goes in those slots? I mean, is there a difference between putting it in 1 and 1 and 2 and 2? Because it says to go, the diagram says to go 2 and 2, and I put it in 1 and 1. Like, what the fuck is the difference?
Oh, then put it in 2 and 2.
Alright,
If that's what it says to do, then do it that way.
alright. Oh my god, this is gonna be a fucking disaster. This is gonna be the longest part of the stream right here. God damn, that shit is huge. Okay, so wait.
He's
What
not
the fuck-
Keemstar.
Did
Calm
this
down.
thing come with any sort of paper in it though? Hello?
Oh, I can't. I saw. That guy's 4 health.
I got 90 pins. That's
God
nice.
damn it. Oh, is that a QR code? Ah, there we are. Online manual.
Guy says he hates paper
People are
manuals.
insane.
It's not, there's no, listen, I would be using the paper manual if they fucking sent me one.
Why do you get a random?
Oh.
That was progress. This is the most complicated step. Everything will be easier than this. Also,
How many subs I gotta get for you to twerk?
10.
I'm not setting the bar. I'm not doing it. Yo, I got a question. Is the motherboard supposed to be sticky?
What?
Huh?
It is sticky. The
Did
whole
I
thing-
come over before you got that shit?
The
What do
whole
you mean?
thing is sticky.
Who fucked my
I don't think it's
motherboard?
necessarily.
Who did
sticky, I
it?
think it's just
No, it is sticky, bro.
nothing.
Troy?
It does look sticky. Ew.
It is sticky, bro.
Yeah, you see like something is smeared on the back of
Yeah,
it.
what did they put on this thing? Oh my god, it's actually, it looks like something fucking spilled on here.
Oh.
What?
Who did it?
Oh, for
Oh
fuck's
my god.
sake. Dude, there's no way it looks orange. It's not, the hair is not orange. It's like brown.
Wait,
thought this
who
was
came up
just
with
an
that joke? Was that
inside
me?
joke.
Was that me that came up with that joke at one point? I forgot.
No, it's
Who
been
did
like
it?
that.
Who
It's
did
been like
it?
that since you bastards knew what I look like, bro. No shot.
Who did
I'm
it?
fucking ginger, man. Fuck you guys.
Yeah, why is your mic moving around on the table? What the
What?
fuck?
What are you talking about?
What is that thing? What's that mic moving around?
This one.
The one that's right in front of your keyboard, bro.
That's my fucking cat, dude. You talking about this?
Yeah, that's a moving mic, bro. You just
Okay.
cut your mic? That's wild.
Man.
Even your cat is ginger.
Yeah, it just
Wait,
looks
but
like
then how does this stay onto the back plate when I flip it over to screw everything else in?
that's a great question. Almost like you should keep reading your instructions.
He's down bad. I don't think that's the way the wash is supposed to go on, bro.
I'm already dead.
Oh, fuck.
My
Okay.
tummy.
Easy peasy, bro. These shits go on here. Oh,
I just
fuck.
took it.
Did you finally figure it out? Who would have thought that reading the instructions? Dude, you
Cock
should have set up like the like how speedrunners have those timers for each thing. You should have done that for your PC. Freaking installing AIO from 45
Ooh, great.
minutes to an hour and 30 so far. Oh, he's finally doing it.
brains. Oh,
shine like a wristwatch.
What the fuck are you doing down there? Morning.
Who?
Are you planning to
Oh.
finish this today and today only?
Yeah, I don't got shit to do.
No,
right
this
now.
is we're gonna see part 2 tomorrow.
No part 2, only part 1. The other 2 don't
Yeah,
line up.
no.
They're just not in the right fucking spot. I think we might have it, lads. This looks
Let's
correct.
go.
I can
1 hour
see-
just for screws.
Is it really been an hour? Nah. Standoffs, that's cakewalk, bro. Easy shit. These things are gonna go on in like 10 seconds. Yeah, that first one's going in already. I'm a freak of nature on stream.
No.
Meow.
I did see that.
Okay, so wait. Another set of washers, and then standoffs. Fuck. Hold on, guys. I gotta unscrew everything. Nah, it's an error. Washers, standoffs. Easy fucking peasy.
Why not just put the screws through the washers so it's easier?
It's actually a really good point.
Yeah, you
Survive.
just put
I
the
don't know.
brackets on it.
Alright, that bitch is secure. Oh my god, I'm actually.
Nah.
oh,
I got you. I
oh,
got
shit,
you.
I
Like this
trolled
minutes-
it. Is that enough? You could say. You know, I think it needs a little more.
Okay. Darn
Oh
it.
fuck. Okay, that should be fine. It's fine. It's enough.
Slash D rank. Slash D vote.
Oh, mama. I didn't even notice.
The positive
No,
only gives
oh my
a
god, that
punch.
shit's gone. Where did it go? Well, it looks like thermal paste is indeed working.
Oh no, what is he doing?
I think that might be that.
Make sure you put the back plate into the slot.
You get?
Like, is this screw all the way at the left supposed to be where the motherboard
Yeah,
is?
it's supposed to the hole in the back is supposed to.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I think I need to take this fan out.
Huh?
It doesn't go any further. Look.
The fan is actually blocking.
Duh. We have confirmation. Hey, look at that! That shit's supposed to be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually true.
Dog
Dude,
shit
respect to
streamer.
Solid Oil for being here.
It's the most patient motherfucker I've ever seen on Twitch.
Actually.
How am I supposed to get my... I'm not some fucking absolute sweatshop worker. How am I supposed to get my fat ass fingers to go in these tiny fucking screw holes, bro?
Yep, that's why I said now having a magnetic tip screwdriver here is gonna.
Everything loose. Just have everything loose in there. It won't hurt.
I need screws when you got zip ties, bro. Is this one magnetic? No shot this piece of shit is magnetic. Oh my god. Wait. Holy shit. Okay, wait, this is huge though. Okay. Magnetic screwdriver, attempt number 1.
True.
Fuck.
True.
Did it go? No, it's sideways. Dude, I actually should have got a screwdriver from lttstore.com. Okay.
Yeah,
I think this might be the most beautiful start yet. We did it, boys. That is a flat screw on there right now.
Or is that the second screw?
No, that's the first one. The second, the bad one, I don't know if the camera's showing it, it's in that corner back there. That is going to be fucking horrible.
That one, I think when I was trying to do my computer, I literally dropped the screw probably like 5 times. To be fair, you don't have to screw that one in.
Okay, well, I got a solid angle of attack here. No, don't pull it out. It's perfect. Okay, I think I might have fucking first tried it. I first tried it. I'm a absolute computer fucking genius. Like if something's wrong and I have to take this out, I'll do it tomorrow. How do I mount this thing? Okay, like this the power supply cover has to come off. This is so fucked, bro. Take the fans off the radiator. Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, that's gonna be a pain in the ass, but that's definitely the way to do it. There's no way to go. Oh my fucking god.
What the hell was that noise?
Baroque. Oh my god, I don't think I get backstabbed.
Fan 1 is off.
Um,
Ow. Anything? Okay, there's...
Going to the spawn? Oh my!
The front panel is loose.
A little loose after you knocked it off the hinges.
This is like metal mesh, it's not like a dust filter.
Bye.
Bro,
You're not straight.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm the most
Oh.
brain dead person on this fucking planet, I'm pretty sure. Holy
You know?
shit. Not
Sure.
dude, I just sat there and removed everything from the fucking top because I thought it was the front. I'm gonna have to jam this motherfucker in. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. That's not bad.
One or two.
That is
a hacker.
Hard at
We're
work.
Never-
taking a
never
water
hacker.
break. I'm gonna read up a little bit and then I'm
Alright.
working on getting the radiator in the case.
Alright.
Okay, I have done some negotiating with the radiator and it has agreed to go in the case peacefully. Oh.
When we did it today, he didn't have those done.
Got it.
Wait, where's the last one?
How can I complete his, but PJ?
Dude, I've been at this shit for 4 hours now. Dude, that looks so. That looks
Heck, I'm
so
back.
fucking
Cat.
beautiful.
You have 3 slots. I don't know why you not use 3 fans.
Wait, where's the third one?
There's 2 up top and 1 in the back.
I don't know if this is like pushing it up here, no? Like
Oh yeah, that's not gonna fit. Never mind.
I could like, well, I could. Look at it. You think that's worth it?
It's gonna hit the blades.
Shouldn't I worry about cable management at like the end?
I don't know how he's not dead yet.
Yeah, you shouldn't worry about it, bro. If you can just fit the back panel on, who cares?
What?
The fans are in. 3 intakes.
I have another
2
PC,
exhausts.
but I don't know.
Is it GPU time? Save that shit.
GPU unboxing though.
Oh my god, fresh out the box. Oh my, look at that slide out, bro.
No.
Some nice. Oh,
I could have
look
gone.
at her.
Good.
Oh my god, look at that absolute
As long as you
big
get hard.
right there, bro. It is pretty fast.
For the joint?
Oh, let's take another bag.
Push it, push
Oh my
it.
god, no
Okay.
shot. I don't think
No?
it fits.
Give me these. Oh, okay.
Okay, wait, no. Oh my god, it barely fits. So wait, Seth, I just unscrewed one of
All right,
these.
I'm
the
bombing.
you want to unscrew not the very top one, but the one
Oh,
two
my
below
kill
it.
myself. Oh! He got a golden frying pan at 1:40 a.m.
Somebody just
I
hit a
wanna-
golden frying pan.
Real?
Yes, someone just got one.
The display port and everything.
Oh my god.
What the hell does that mean?
Oh my.
Now for the fun part. Power supply and cable management.
They have the uplink bugs in.
Wait, I still have a hard drive. I can put.
Oh.
I should have waited for the respawn. There's no way they had.
They seem
Me.
I have voices disabled.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure you can.
56, bruh. Why so green? Hey.
I think I might have to fucking call it for tonight.
On their
yeah.
side.
I didn't want to have to make a part 2, but it's way too late. Well,
Goes.
end stream.
What time you stop at, Evan?
I think I stopped at like 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday. Wiring. Yes.
We're queuing right now.
That is fucking scary.
Oh,
Anyway, alright. She's free.
Cat would be the only person to know that.
Look at that. Look at this royalty-free music. That goes into the motherboard.
I can play Farmville to this.
Okay.
Any
Okay, what's the difference between SATA and PATA, bro?
On the power supply?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nah, somebody cheered one. Look at that rat taking a shower. I looked at the
Yeah.
power supply manual online, and it said nothing. Okay.
Is that Kitty Schmitty?
Nah, that's Sophie
What
right
the
there.
fuck? You PC building right now?
Yeah, little cat, bro. Oh my god.
Well, what am I looking at?
There's two cables for the motherboard thing. Should they both be plugged into the power supply? There's one with 10 and one with...
Yeah, it should be 14 on the other.
Yeah, this is
The
the
24
pin. Bro, there's some
24
fucking
pin.
goop on here. Yo, you see this shit?
Gross.
What is happening? Where is the quality assurance from these companies? Oh, this is for PCIe and CPU. What the fuck is PCIe, bro? I gotta
PBJ,
do
we're in.
all the wiring, and then hopefully it turns on. I'm gonna watch this royalty-free guide again.
Who just popped off?
So there's two. The one that I have looks like it's
6 plus 2. Yeah, there's sometimes 6 plus 2 as well.
Should I have two of them though? Like, look at this cable. There's a 6 plus
No.
2, and then there's another 6 plus 2. All right, I think it's this one because this is like, is it possible where it's just a raw dog 8-pin for the CPU?
I don't think so.
Because there's one that's labeled CPU and it's just
Oh, then yes, that's
it's just an
Boy,
8-pin.
Yeah, that's the one.
PCI
Yeah.
is graphics cards,
Oh.
expansion cards.
Honestly, that one that's split
That one.
like that,
Oh,
maybe the graphics card one, because you can plug both of them into the graphics card.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure doesn't the graphics card have like it has like all of these? There's 3.
Oh yeah, there's 3 8-pins. Holy
Bro.
shit.
That thing yoinks power.
So wait, do I just need like a whole ass cable just to get to the fucking power supply? I need 2.
Yeah, I think you just need to route 2 up there.
Should we get more lighting?
I don't have a ceiling fan light, so like all I can do is just point a flashlight at what
Yeah,
I'm looking at.
Should I just come over there and take my pants off to illuminate the whole room?
Probably, yeah.
Come on, that's game first, bro. Come on, let's do it.
How close is the CPU connector compared to the graphics card? Where is it? Where even is that 8-pin?
It should be
You
above
normally-
the CPU area.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
is
it's
that it
above
up
the
there?
CPU. Yeah,
Does it take
it's
2?
up there in the. It shouldn't take 2.
Oh,
I
Should
see.
just,
There's 2. There's 2 connectors.
2 6-pins?
There's 2 8-pins.
you may need to check your manual. You may not need both of them. One pulls like 400 watts.
Wait, really? I don't think my CPU pulls that much though.
Yeah, so
They
you
don't
So I
need
should
the
only
pins.
need
can get away with one. You plug it in, and if it posts, then it's fine.
So that means I think I'm just gonna have a cable
I got the Uno.
lying around. Yeah, because I have 2 and 2, and then 2 and 2. So I only need 3. So there's gonna be one that's just sitting there. The graphics card, does that need all 3 plugged in?
That's
Yes.
weird.
It's
Yeah, you're gonna have to plug that boy
That's a
up.
big.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
right there,
Big
that
plug.
is deliberate by the graphics card manufacturer. I'm pretty sure you can at least see if the CPU turns on and everything works. The graphics card won't work, but
Well, I'm not gonna turn the computer on until everything's wired up. We're getting a full test, bro. Yeah, there's a system fan here. So I
yeah,
guess,
there's one and the rest are on the bottom.
yeah, the question is which one needs that slot more?
Oh wait, yeah, I just realized you have to plug. You don't have a like fan controller. You have to plug all your stuff into your mother.
Oh
Yeah, unfortunately.
So the side fan definitely needs it more. This one can absolutely turn all the way around to plug into something. I think this one can plug into system fan 3. Oh my god, that shit is bent. Alright, never mind. That will not be plugging into system fan 3. I don't think my...
Yeah, ain't gonna lie, since the fan should have probably been plugged in before that big ass graphics card.
Yeah, we really should have. I didn't know everything would... Like, everything is down here.
Yeah, everything is on the bottom.
Fuck I am doing. Oh! We are in. Let's go.
Full slut.
This back panel. I couldn't find a way for it to go back on. There's just a hole.
Can't just screw it back in?
No.
You got busted
There's
nose?
no...
Yeah.
There's no fucking screw hole.
Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, so do I
Oh,
just leave
yeah.
that, I just leave that one open
That's
as well?
that's just open though.
Oh,
More
first these
airflow,
buttons
more
are
airflow.
annoying.
Yeah, more
Yeah,
airflow.
This is gonna be rough, bro.
Man,
That is gonna be rough. You need some baby hands.
Oh yeah. Oh, looks like it's it. Alright. We'll say that's one out of the way.
Wow.
Wait, so what's the point of these SATA cables that are on the power supply then?
You plug them both in.
No,
It's
yeah,
like-
one
it
of
should
them.
be
Plug
two
them into
slots.
the computer.
Yeah, one of them. The one that comes from the power supply is the power for the hard drive. The thing that plugs into your motherboard is how it like transfers data.
What about the little L?
The little L is the one that plugs into your
That's
motherboard
you.
and into the hard drive.
Oh, I need another... I don't even know if I have that cable.
Wait, Evan, do you use a fucking piano bench as your like gaming chair?
No, not as the gaming
No.
chair. That's the streamer stool. That's the one I'm using temporarily. J Rainbow 2. What the fuck does that mean?
Those are your LGBTQ plus lights.
Well, yeah, but
Let's
I have
go.
one connector for them, but I don't see a second one that might plug into that.
Love LGBTQ
I
plus.
don't.
On the front,
LGBTQ.
this right here is the LGBTQ light right here on the front of the case. I think I should plug it in the J Rainbow 1. I think that's the strap. It's not going in.
Please,
It's not going in as easy as it should. There's J Rainbow 3.
Pepe, please.
There's JRGB 1, but that has 4 pins, and this has 3.
This guy is stuck on where to put his rainbow.
Oh,
He does.
I think we have a connection.
Oh, that's nice
LGBTQ
people.
lights engaged.
All right,
LGBTQ lights engaged.
Next on the list. That is a lot of pins. Where could this go? There's power SW and then minus P LED and plus P LED. What the fuck does that even mean?
Well, I think one is ground and one is.
Yeah, you have to orient them a certain way on the motherboard.
Oh, you
It's a polarity
They have
for
to be
light.
rotated like a certain way?
No,
They
but
just have to be plugged into a certain
lights.
spot. You having that GPU in there, oh my goodness.
It's definitely making things less convenient.
I already did it.
Meow.
You got the follow up.
The 1x1 specifically, the rotation.
I don't think-
Right?
No, it shouldn't matter. It just you know you just gotta plug them in. I think it depends. You have to plug them into the proper slot.
P LED plus 1 is going in. Wait, it says power switch has a plus and a minus.
Yeah.
Yeah,
if
it does
you-
have a plus and a minus.
Yeah, if you look at it, it should say plus on one side, minus on the other.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. P LED minus goes on the right. P LED plus is going in on the far left. That sounds correct. P LED plus, P LED minus, power switch plus. Alright.
That's for the power switch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so either it works or it don't.
And if it doesn't, then I just flip it around. We're down to this one. Oh, this is a mini L. Wait, what? Oh, wait, that's a mini. Oh,
Wait, does that plug into the USB or the
Yeah.
that fucking LED?
What the fuck is this thing? Alright, well, let's figure it out.
Oh, that's a USB connector.
I've got to break these
Wait,
bricks.
well, yeah, that makes sense. But this isn't the one. It's
No, that's probably, bro. I'm telling you, I don't know.
well,
I don't know if
dude,
this
this
works.
connects to like a USB thing.
USB
3.0 if it is.
3.0. The big one's the 3.0.
Box them.
That'd be. You have a
Go
Type
live.
C? Is it a Type C?
You want.
Do you have
There's,
a Type C
well,
on the
there's
C?
3.1. Is that Type C? It looks like a Type C.
It's I don't know the
You're kidding me
oval
right
the
now.
oval ones.
Yeah, the oval one.
Yeah,
Man,
that could be that connector.
This that
Well,
mini
I'll do
L
whatever
is
you wanna do.
the 3.1, the USB C. So where the fuck would this plug into?
You plug it into your motherboard. Just in
Lock down,
any of the L slots.
Oh, I'm already
know.
back.
I don't know if it's all the way in there. I don't know. I mean, it comes out way too easily. That was an open wound. That hurt really bad. Alright, that is another L in. Ah, okay. Dude, I just realized I need to get the power supply into the computer.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, I need to make sure that I have all of the cables that I need. I have 2 for the graphics card, 1 for the CPU, 1 for the big motherboard, and hard drive. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna go with 1 CPU power and see if the thing turns on. This is a little constrained on space. This thing has antennas, dude. Where the fuck do the antennas go?
Wait, May doesn't freeze anymore, does she?
no.
Oh, I forgot
Thank
about
God.
that. That's such a good change.
I'm pushing the cart. They don't know I'm here.
They actually don't.
Did these motherfuckers? I don't know if
69.
they-
9.
Oh, they're scrunched up.
They actually C9'd. Sigma's OP.
Yo,
How
those
do you-
cables do not want to be there. Yo, you guys see this shit? Oh, look at that, yeah. One of these things is just hollow. Is that normal?
That's normal.
I can see
Yeah,
straight through it.
Pretty sure that's normal. Make sure you hold the clip open.
Oh,
Why
I
would I
don't
think it's a
know.
diva? That
I
sucks.
think it's in now, though. Yeah, it's in now. Yeah. For some reason, oh, well, because the fan's in the way. Am I gonna have to remove the
Yeah,
fan?
it's
Yeah,
not
you
enough
have to move the
clearance, bro.
fan.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, get him. I'm here with you. Get him.
CPU cable secured.
It's like, what's the whole
Yo,
thing?
didn't Erob's
Just pyro.
PC, when he built his PC, didn't it have like a giant arc that went across it?
What just happened?
Alright, that's one plugged in. Okay.
But
Why the radiator isn't on the top
equally.
side? Because it literally will not fit. It's just because of space constraints. Honestly, the radiator is like the worst possible like setup that it could be for a radiator because of the space. Look, this fucking
now
the
Sombra!
cable came loose on its own. Wait, I actually just had to push it a little more.
Okay, I'm
I
retarded.
forgot I got one more tons of fun to fucking do. Okay, that's the last one. Now it's just going into the wall and hoping it turns on. Alright. I need to put the front panel in order to see if the LGBT lights work.
I'm beast.
Yeah, obese.
Huh?
We've reached the moment of truth. This is a little scuffed here, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
What,
Holy
you just
shit.
what?
CPU or memory changed. Please enter setup. Oh, the computer turned off. Oh, it turned itself back on. I think it's in a boot loop now. Something's happening.
Just let it do its thing.
Holy fucking shit. I'm a goddamn genius.
9 hours, guys, 9 hours.
9 hours, but we made it to the fucking BIOS. Was that first try? Look at that front LGPTs work. Did they change? Look at that, they change. Oh, well, 3200 megahertz. I gotta go find my boot drive and do the fun task of setting up Windows. CPU core temperature is 53 degrees Celsius. That's too hot, no? I mean, wait, what? No, the fans at the front were working. So doesn't that mean the water cooler was right?
Maybe you just did a poor job applying your thermal paste.
I mean, I do feel like it wasn't enough.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Gaming yet? What's going on?
Yeah, it works. It got to BIOS. First fucking try.
BIOS? Let's go.
Although CPU is idling at a high temperature, so I might have to reapply thermal paste.
Yeah, bro. His thing's idling at 50.
50?
50C.
Oh, that's idle. Yeah, that's bad.
Think anymore.
Can't take down the. Yo, what the
Every time that shit happens. Oops.
back there?
Alright, we are gonna attempt to put the back plate back on.
Play
It's
time.
called the back panel, bro.
I really don't give a fuck. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
Calm down, back plan. Like, shut your bitch ass up,
Nerd.
bro. All my lights are red.
Come on, shitter.
Mm-mm-mm.
Holy shit. Oh, the back plate's on, bitches.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
never
sir.
coming off again.
Oh.
Like so.
The BIOS
should be really low.
Yeah,
I
the
don't know.
BIOS. Yeah, that's true. Good point, good point.
BIOS, you probably shouldn't be much higher than like 45, 40.
Now for the big reveal, was there enough thermal paste on this stuff? I don't think so. That does not look right, does it?
Let me see.
Oh my god, this little. It's so little.
Oh, yeah. what
Oh
the
my
fuck?
god.
Oh my god. Okay, well we figured.
Yeah, no wonder it was
At
at
least we
50
know
idle,
that this
bro.
is guaranteed the reason. Look at that little fucking smidge.
What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna go get coffee filters. I'll get this cleaned off, and then we'll apply a new. I'm gonna fucking drench this shit. I'm just saying, it's gonna leak onto the motherboard.
What are you using them for?
To take off the thermal paste.
Just use a paper towel.
No, that could leave a residue, bro. I made that mistake with my popcorn machine. I use paper towels, and there's just like little smidgets of paper towel that get melted into my popcorn now. So I'm eating a little bit of molten paper towel every time I eat popcorn.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, it's disgusting to think about, but I can't taste it, so I don't think about it. I mean, it's most of it. Would it be a big deal if this small layer is left on? Does that look like enough? Like a little there, make a little happy face.
Like that little bitch ass piece of thermal paste. Put that shit on there.
Are those little drops? What is that, bro?
What? What is that?
Okay, the bottle cap did not
See,
work.
yeah,
Oh my god.
that's not bad.
That's
Hopefully.
not bad. That's pretty good.
Oh, I just realized this guy never like actually learned how to do this. Oh my god.
I think go a little bit further on the bottom at least that much.
Yeah, true.
You got that shit, all right.
Alrighty. Did I miss something? There we go.
What are the temps? Is that
38.
40?
Bought it.
I mean, you could just buy a mic.
I mean,
It's taken forever to go to BIOS. We may have encountered an issue. Oh, wait, that's the spinny Windows logo. I didn't know it would work like that. That's crazy.
you get that fucking. You can get fur mark. That
So
shit
much
is
stress testing on,
absolutely terrible.
Hold on,
performance
let's get
tests.
the double cam back.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There it
Oh
is,
my
ladies and
god.
gentlemen. There it fucking is.
There it is. Empty as hell.
That's 1064.
Yeah, maybe
That's-
if there's a MSI thumb drive, apparently, bro.
Apparently, there's supposed to be a thumb drive
Huh?
that comes with the motherboard.
Oh, fuck off. That shit wasn't in there. I mean, I can check.
Cause that's what it says in the manual. It says plug in the MSI thumb drive instead of the CD.
You didn't see. There's no fucking thumb drive in this case.
Know what the fuck that is? Damn, he lost that shit.
I didn't
No.
lose it. I would have noticed the fucking thumb drive that came in, dude. Wait,
Nah,
is
he
this
lost that shit.
Oh,
It's
wait,
his
no, I
fault.
think this might be it. Is this a thumb drive? Is that what this looks like?
That looks like a thumb drive. That looks like a key shaped
Hey,
thumb drive.
they did send me one. Look at that, guys. All right. Yeah, get all that shit. Damn, Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Wait,
You should probably make sure you don't.
Norton Internet Security? Oh hell no.
Yeah, turn off.
Get that shit out of here. Ah, shit, it ripped. It's GG's. It's stuck under the screw. Should the screws be on here for this? Oh my god. That's a horrible noise. It's stuck under the fucking screws. Ladies
Part
and gentlemen
3 win.
of the Twitch chat, all three of you, well, two of you including me, we ended on a much higher note than we did yesterday.
Peace.